Welcome again. And the builder today we are going to cover is Express Project Private Limited. You can see on your screen the judgment of the RERA Panchkula Authority, dated 3rd of October 2019. Well, this is an execution petition where two complaints have been clubbed. So there was no compliance of the orders of the authority, due to which the execution proceedings were filed. A little reference to the order has been mentioned. The order mentions that the respondent builder was to give the statement of accounts, considering the facts, what has to be paid and what has not to be paid, as per the laws laid down through various precedents of this honorable authority. And the possession has to be given by 30th of September 2019. Further, the registry was to be done before the office of the Tehsildar, and the builder failed to comply the subjective part of the order, as a result of which this execution application was filed. So when the execution application was filed, the complainant alleged various deficiencies in the offer of the builder respondent. They were not in a position to offer them as per the order. So further, the issues raised were that the top floor of the terrace has been sold to them, uh, uh, not in consonance with the principles. The other flat allottees were able to use them. It was not an exclusive property of the complainants. Then further, for space of car parking was not marked. The area was reduced. So whatever the pleas were taken in the complaint were taken here as well. So coming back to the judgment again, these were the issues that even the copies of possession letter and allotment letter and other documents were not supplied. So the court went on to hear the matter, and a reply was filed by the builder. So records were shown that the builder was not in compliance of the order. The builder pleaded that the complainant was not present before the registrar to execute the same conveyance deed. Since the issues discussed were never been resolved, therefore the complainant didn't present himself before the uh, Tehsildar. Now the authority laid down, as per the pleadings, the instructive part, that the documents which the complainant needs would be supplied. Further, the terrace should not be used for common services, since they have charged it as per the rule. uh, Either the money should be returned. So the money which they got separately charged of 2 lakh rupees would be given back to the complainant. Further, the layout plan, as per which they have to supply a car parking for the complainant, that also has to be given. The area of the plot was this 220.56 square meter, and the flat area was 1350 square feet. So that may kindly be noted, and there shouldn't be any variation, and it should be informed to the complainant first. And the conveyance deed should be done within a specific time frame. The court mentioned that in the order. So, regarding the maintenance component, so court held in various precedents that maintenance is not applicable till the time the complainant takes over the possession of the unit. So, authority disposed of the matter, mentioning this. Then the transfer fee will be as per the rules of the town and country planning, and the date of the registry by the Tehsildar was given 11th of October 2019. So, from reading and knowing these judgments, we can expect what relief we can get from the honorable authority. So, hope this judgment clarifies you the law on the topic and serves your intended purpose. So, thanks for watching.